Now it's time for some Jingle Cruise.
What time is we don't know yet?
And now, a dedication from
Jingle Cruise, Jingle Cruise, Jingle all the way.
She's like, really? They're free? We're not paying for these? I know, I just set up every year.
Thank you. And we are clear to go. Pick up your favorite hand. Wave goodbye to those skippers on the dock. Yep. Wave like you mean it. You're never going to see them again. Go ahead and wave goodbye to all people standing in line. You're doing it. You're waiting. Oh, man. So proud of them. Well, welcome everyone to the world famous Jingle Cruise. My name is Skipper Christina, and I will be your ho-ho host for the next 12 days and one silent night. Yeah, we start our journey here in the Amazon rainforest. Now, the rainforest is very special to Santa. Can anyone tell me why? Well, because he loves his rain, dear. Now, over here to our left and to our right, we have these really large insects. They're actually called humbugs. Yeah, and if you listen closely, you can hear their call. Ba, ba, ba. And they're bah humbugs. Over here to the left, we have Inspiration Falls, inspiring even the meanest of Scrooges to go. Christmas caroling, Jingle Cruise, Jingle Cruise, jingle all the way. Go outside and there's two riding a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, thank you. Number sings with me. That was great. Well, we're now going into the Congo River, so let's just see how far we can go. Now, have you guys seen the Jungle Book? Well, in case you haven't, there it is. Yep, in 3D. So my friends, the Pygmies, have set up a very special holiday celebration for you guys. You know, well, I guess they dashed off for some last-minute Christmas shopping on November 12th. Yeah, I think I can see what they're getting for Christmas. Canoe. Now, would you look at this? Somebody's getting an old tree for Christmas. Yep, it's even all wrapped up with a boa on top. How nice, I know. And people questioned why we'd use gorillas for our gift wrapping, but as you can see, their turnover rate is just fantastic. Yeah, they're really tearing through those orders. It looks like one of them might have even gotten a monkey wrench in their stocking for Christmas. Well, we're now going into the Nile River, which is the longest river in Africa. It's actually very difficult to navigate this time of year for its really strong Yule tide. Now, these elephants up here have been practicing their rendition of Silent Night. Let's see if we can help them out. Give them some pointers. Louder. Much better. Keep working on it. How about you over here? A little off key. Try again. Much better. Silent Night, everybody. And I almost forgot Jingle Bell Rock. Well, look at all the animals gathered gathered here in the African belt to celebrate the holidays together. We got the long-necked cheetahs. I don't know what these are. They must be new. We got the 2019 Impalas. Some stripy horses, and oh gosh. Well, at least they invited him to dinner. That's a lot of cranberry sauce. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. He's sleeping to the boy talking to the in-laws. Yeah, I know the feeling. He's sleeping. Oh goodness. Well, gee, Mr. Rhino, I usually just string up popcorn. And that's why you should never give somebody a fruitcake for Christmas. Now, everyone there wanted to climb all the way up to the top to put that star on the tree. You know, that rhino will see him all the way through to the end. Well, now is a really great time for me to point out some of my favorite holiday plants. There's the setup. There's the setup. There's the setup. Did you guys see me point at us? Now behind me is the beautiful Schweitzer Glacier. It sits high on a mountaintop. Really beautiful to look at in the moonlight, and oh my gosh, it's melting. So folks, it's been a really season we've been having here. Well, the Jingle Cruise Navigation Company would like to offer you guys a very special friends and family discount. Yep, half off. Yeah, I know, right? I'd rather just take reindeer. Oh no. I asked for Hungry Hippos on my Christmas wish list. I guess I should be a little bit more specific next time. Nobody make any marble noises. We should be okay. Now hippos sometimes like to wiggle their ears in very cold weather so they don't get hypothermia. Well, we're now going into Headhunter territory, which is filled with all of our favorite holiday characters. Let's see, we got Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid, and the little drummer boy. Wait, there's 1, 2, 3. There's supposed to be 12 drummers drumming. 12! Why do they always do this to me? I asked for 12, they gave me 3, and oh no, not this again. Guys, know we've been over this! Moving on to the next holiday. Come on, work with me here. Do not read the cancellation. I'm sorry, they're just really into Halloween. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you the 8th wonder of the world, the backside of water. Yeah, we were gonna do the backside of it, but I didn't want adults sticking their head outside of the boat. We're now going into the Mekong River, which is deep in the heart of Cambodia. And what's this? Oh my goodness. I think it might be one of Santa's hidden workshops. Santa! I know him! Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Are you excited? He's excited. We're all excited. Wait, I don't think this is one of Santa's workshops. Everyone keep your eyes open. You better watch out. I better not cry. Raise your hand if you did not make it. I'll do better next year. So we just stumbled into an Indian elephant bathing pool. Everyone got your cameras. It looks like they all have their trunks on tonight. Now you know all these baby elephants want for Christmas are their 2 trunk teeth. Now Bertha up here is very stinky, so instead of showering her with gifts this year, we decided to give her the gift of showering. I think she likes that much better. Oh no, Squirt up here is very naughty. He likes to try to spray the boat. Naughty list! Naughty list! missed. Oh my goodness. Don't worry, folks. He only comes up once. Oh no, look out! Just kidding. No one ducked. That'd be sad. Well, guys, it looks like we're coming up on the end of our Jingle cruise. I know. I'm gonna miss you guys. It's like we become one big happy family during the holidays. Yeah. My gift to you is that plant. There you go. Now, this is Trader Santa. He's a local head salesman at the Jungle Cruise. He has a really special Yuletide special. Ooh, Yuletide special. 3 of his heads for only 1 of yours. I know, it's crazy, but hurry, the inventory is shrinking and you want to get ahead of that competition. Alrighty, if you guys enjoyed your cruise here today, my name is Skipper Christina. If you didn't, well then my name is Elsa, so just let it go. Out of all my cruises here today, well, you guys have definitely... You've been one of them, yeah. It's been a really incredibly awkward 10 minutes with you just staring at me. Wouldn't want to have it any other way. Alright, let's make sure we're fully seated back there, little one. Thank you. Oh, man. No, but you guys have been an outstanding crew here with me today, and in just a moment, I'm going to need you outstanding on that dock. So please remain seated. Keep those hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat. Please watch your elbows on the side. We don't want to add to the naughty list. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. We don't want you scratching our dock. We just waxed it. Now, is anyone thinking about catching those fireworks tonight? Don't. They're hot. Yeah, watch them instead. Much safer that way, I promise you. You don't want to catch the fireworks, buddy. That's not good. But if you guys are passing by the Jingle Cruise later, I understand. Yeah, I'll be here though. Going around and around and around. Like that train under your Christmas tree every 10 minutes. You too can become a skipper with a bachelor's in political science. Is that your major? Yeah, mine either. My parents are really proud. And my brother. Yeah, he's a doctor. I could have been a doctor, I just didn't have the patience. I gave it a shot though. My parents also told me I should try to be a baker, but you know, I didn't rise to the occasion. Didn't make enough dough. Sorry guys, I'm on a roll. Oh man. Well, we've had some fun today, haven't we? Yay! That's great, that's great. At least one of us did. I'm just kidding. I can tell you guys about some of our sponsors. Animal Crackers, teaching all children all around the world that all animals taste the same. Yeah, delicious. It's a really great stocking stuffer. We also have zebra jerky, the every other white meat. Also a really great stocking stuffer. We got Cannibal Crunchies, the snack that smiles back. People. Really great stocking stuffer. I'm sorry, I know cannibal jokes are a little hard to swallow. Now just so you won't be confused, we do have 2 docks up here. There's a dock on the left and a dock on the right, and us skips like to call that a paradox. Now there's also 2 skips on that dock, kind of moving around up there, but there's a skip on that side and a skip on that side. And you know what we like to call them? A pair of dorks. Don't tell them I said that. It'll really ruin the Christmas spirit around here. What did you say? You're not going to tell them? Good. I can also tell you guys some jokes. Not probably say they're funny, but you know, it'll help pass the time, because we're still here.
Alright.
Let's see. Oh, this little girl named Charlotte told me this the other day. She was on my boat. She said, why did the pilgrim's pants keep falling down? Because his belt was on his hat. I was like, Charlotte, that's a great joke. I'm going to tell that on all my boats. What does it call when Olaf throws a temper tantrum? A meltdown. Alright folks, looks like we're heading up here to the return, so I hope you brought your receipts. Now they're holding up a 2, so oh goodness, you know what that means? We get to go around 2 more times! They're super excited. You know, after a cruise like that, there's really only...